How to add plugins to Minecraft 4 server. So first of all, you'll have to log into your SM Picnic control panel and then navigate to your server manager page. Install either CraftBucket or Spigot as your servers are. Once you're in here, click on the Plugins tab. So firstly, you should know what do you mean by plugin. Well, a plugin or a multiplayer plugin is a file for a Minecraft multiplayer server. Plugins are often used to change a certain aspect of the game, such as adding user rankings or the addition of a factions game mode. Plugins do not change the game itself, as a mode does. After a plugin is installed on a server, it can be easily found on the help page by typing /help. So, once you locate a plugin you wish to install, click the install option to the right of the plugin name. Please keep in mind, some plugins may require other plugins to load properly. If another plugin is required, the information will be included on the plugin page located through the More Information option. Once the plugin has been installed, what you want to do is restart your server, and then the plugin will be successfully added to Minecraft 4 server. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add plugins to Minecraft 4 server. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.